Here we discuss the numerical that is related to the chapter AC circuit. Numerical that is given a coil having a resistance of 7 ohm and inductance of 31.8 millihenry is connected to 230 volt and power supply that is frequency is 50 hertz. Calculate the circuit current, phase angle, power factor, power consumed. So here we find the resistor that is given is 7 ohm. Inductor of inductance that is equal to 31.8 millihenry. L is equal to 31.8 into 10 to power minus 3 henry. Here we find the first part that is A, that is the circuit current. We find the circuit current by using the formula of V is equal to I Z and I is equal to V over Z. Here the voltage that is given the 230 volt and frequency that is given the 50 hertz. So here is the voltage given, but we don't know the Z value. We can find the Z by using the formula Z is equal to R square plus XL square. Z value of the R that is the 7 square plus we don't know the XL. We find the XL. XL we know that is equal to omega L. Omega that is equal to 2 pi FL. 2 pi value that is equal to 3.1416. Frequency that is equal to 50 hertz. L that is given the 31.8 into 10 to power minus 3. So value of the XL that is equal to 9.99 ohm. Put it in this formula. So it is equal to 9.99 square. So value of the Z is equal to 12.20 ohm. This value used in this formula. So we find the circuit current I is equal to V that is given the 230 volt. Z we find at the 12.20. So value of the current become, by dividing this equation we find the 18.85 ampere. That is the value of the circuit current. Here we find the A part. Now we find the B part, that is the phase angle. B part we find the phase angle. Here we use the formula of the phase angle, that is constant of the inductive reactance XL and resistor R. So here we put the formula of the XL that is equal to 9.99 over R that is equal to 7. So phase angle become equal to 54.98 degree. So here we find the B part. Okay, now we find the C part, that is the power factor. C, we find the power factor that is equal to cos phi. Cos phi that is equal to 54.98 degree. Cos of 54.98 degree that is equal to 0.574. That is we find the power factor that is equal to 0.574. Now we find the power consumed. D part, by using the power consumed, find the by the formula P is equal to VI cos of phi. Voltage V that is the 230. Current that is the 18.85 and cos phi that is equal to 0.574. So power consumed in the circuit that is equal to 2.49 kilowatt.